I'm Eugene Crumpton.
And I'm Gina Crumpton.
And we're with Dixie Door, and this is our first garage band song. Ready?
You know they say you can't go home again. Well, I just had to come back one last time. And ma'am, I know you don't know me from Adam, but these handprints on the front steps are mine. And up those stairs in that little back bedroom is where I did my homework and learned to play guitar. And I bet you didn't know that under that live oak my favorite dog is buried in the yard. I thought if I could touch this place or feel it, this brokenness inside me might start healing. Out here it's like I'm someone else. I thought that maybe I could find myself. If I could just come in, I swear I'd leave. Won't do nothing but a memory from the house that built me. Mama cut out pictures of houses for years, from Better Home and Garden magazines. Plans were drawn in concrete, poured nail by nail and bolt by bolt. And Daddy gave life to Mama's dreams. I thought if I could touch this place or feel it, this brokenness inside me might start healing. Out here it's like I'm someone else. I thought that maybe I could find myself. If I could just come in, I swear I'd leave. Won't do nothing but a memory from the house that built me. You leave home, you move on, you do the best you can. Well, I got lost in this old world and forgot who I am. I thought if I could touch this place or feel it, this brokenness inside me might start healing. Out here it's like I'm someone else. I thought that maybe I could find myself. If I could walk around, I swear I'd leave. Won't do nothing but a memory from the house that built me.
Thanks.